My name is Leon Boey, and I'm the founder of Livingseas Asia and the Livingseas Foundation. Livingseas was founded in Singapore back in 2005. I've been working there ever since. Livingseas Foundation was started in 2023, and we're focusing on coral reef restoration. My relationship to the coral reef spans a long time. I've been diving almost 20 years, and during that time, I've noticed that things have not gotten any better. When I first started diving, of course, you start off looking at the big stuff. Sharks, molars, mantas, and those are very charismatic and what you want to see. I also found myself very drawn to the life on the reef. Being immersed and surrounded by a cloud of fish always made me very happy. And over the time, I realized that all of this life had its core, had its base in the coral reef. Without the corals, then all this life wouldn't exist. When I look at corals bleach and die, it makes me quite sad because I know it's not just the corals that are dead, but that affects the larger ecosystem as well. Now, where are all the small fish, algae, invertebrates going to live? So seeing the corals die is not just about them. It's about how it impacts the marine ecosystem as well. Currently at the Livingseas Coral Restoration Site in Padangbai, Bali, we use the reef star method that I learned from Mars back in 2017. This consists of metal rods that are bent and welded together and coated with sand to form a good substrate for corals to grow on. Looking at the coral restoration site that we built, looking at all the corals thriving and looking at all the fish come back, makes me feel very happy. It makes me feel that ecosystem regeneration is possible and it's something that we should be doing.